So the last problem here at 3.1 says, for many people suffering from constricted bronchial muscles, the drug albuterol is prescribed. The number of micrograms A of albuterol in a person's bloodstream T minutes after 200 micrograms have been inhaled can be approximated by, and they give us a function right here. Okay, how long after inhalation will there be about 150 micrograms of albuterol in the system? So let's see. So if you guys know anything about this, this is when people have asthma, right? So we're using an inhaler, and A says how much albuterol we're going to have T minutes after we have inhaled 250 micrograms. We're looking for how long after inhalation will there be about 150. So what we're going to do is we're going to write out our function. A equals negative 50t squared plus 200t. And now we're trying to figure out when is there going to be 150. So where the A used to be, we're going to put 150. Now, anytime I'm solving these types of problems, for my t squared, I don't want it to be negative. So I'm going to move both this guy and that guy over. So we're going to have a 50t squared, because the signs are going to change, a minus 200t. The 150 on this side is still there, so it's still positive, equals 0. So now we just need to solve this equation. We can divide everything here by 50, and we're going to end up with t squared minus 4t. Let's see, 150 divided by 50 is plus 3 equals 0. So now we can go ahead and factor this thing out. Remember, this should be an easy breezy CoverGirl problem because that number there is a 1. So we're going to factor like this. And we're going to say that 1 times 3 is 3. So the numbers that I know that multiply to 3 are 1 and 3, but I need them to add up to a minus 4. So a minus 1 and a minus 3. Still equal to 0. So now when we set each part equal to 0, we're going to get t is equal to 1 and t is equal to 3. So again, I want you to think about visually what's going on here. Visually what's going on is we were having an asthma attack and we took albuterol, and at some point that albuterol leaves our system, okay? So the amount of albuterol we actually took was 200 micrograms. At some point, there's going to be 150 micrograms in our system. That's going to happen when t equals 1 minute, and it's also going to happen at t equals 3 minutes. So as that medicine is going through our body, at some point, hey, we have 150. It's going to max out at 200 because that's how much we actually took. And then our body begins to metabolize that medicine, and it comes back down, and there's another time when it hits 150. And then after a period of time, probably in this case 4 minutes, our body will have already used up all that medicine, okay? Now, guys, this works for an inhaler. This works for, you got a headache, you take Tylenol. This works for you get sick and you got to go to the doc and they give you a shot. It all works kind of the same way, okay? But visually, this is what's happening, okay? Y'all got any questions? Let me know.